Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Here is how to cut green onions, otherwise known as scallions. To start out, take a look at your onions, see if there are any parts that don't look so good, and you can just pull those right off. All right, then line up your green onions, chop off the root end and any tough part of the green end. All right, to cut them into rings, take a firm grip on the base of your knife, line up your onions, and then use a circular motion to cut thin rings. For most recipes, you can use the white and the tender part of the green. Now, if you're making a salad or a stir fry and you want a little more pizzazz in your cut, you can do a cut on the bias. Simply place your knife at an angle and do the same circular motion. And that is how to cut green onions. For more of our knife skills, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.